Hi guys, so today I will be talking about a candle, but not just any candle. This is the Bloom and Prosper candle. So I just want to say something before I start talking about this candle. The candle that I actually have in there right now is the Vanilla Beam, and I just want to tell you guys, okay, so I'm just going to start off my quick little story about how I got a different candle in this vase. This is a Bloom and Prosper case. I am unsure if you can purchase this one on Amazon, but the actual candle I will be talking about is the Vanilla Bean, which you can purchase on there. This is one of my favorite scents by them. I do love it. But I just want to tell you guys how I got into them and what I think about their candles. I'm a very big junkie when it comes to candles. So yeah, so getting started, I think it was like either last year or the year before last, for Christmas, each year me and my sorority sisters, we have like sisterhood exchange. So it's kind of like Secret Santa, except you kind of like, instead of you getting the person something like random, we kind of put on like this Facebook forum like what we would want, and it's up to the person's discretion whether or not they get that for us or not. But yeah, so I put that I really wanted candles, and I always try to be mindful if somebody is getting me a gift. I feel like candles can be so inexpensive, and these candles, which is why shout out to my sorority sister for introducing me to this brand, but candles are inexpensive, so I'm just going to put that out there right now. They're very inexpensive. I love using them. But yeah, so I put that I wanted candles, and it turns out that the sorority sister that actually had me, her mom was actually like a big like advocate for this candle brand. Like her mom was really into candles, so she actually told me that she didn't even end up having to purchase anything. Like her mom provided the candles that she gave me for Secret Santa, and before she gave it to me, there was like a little note, and it was like saying, like, I hope you have a very like, I hope you bloom and prosper over this new year. And I thought that was cool because the brand is called Bloom and Prosper Candles. So I don't know if you guys can see this. So the brand is called Bloom and Prosper Candles, and I thought that was cool. It was like a nice little pun. But yeah, so she gave it to me, and I was like, it came in this vase, and the original scent that came in this vase was amber mirror, and it smelled so good. And guys, let me tell you something about Bloom and Prosper candles. They last so long. So the original candle that I had in here, it lasted about 6 months, and I light like all my candles every night. And I do this thing where it's called self-love days, and I tend to like light all the candles in my room and like paint my nails and just do stuff like that, typical girl stuff. And so out of all my candles, this one was the last one standing. And so I hadn't gave the candle much thought. I just felt like it was another candle when she originally gave it to me. But when I saw that like there was still a lot of wax left in it, and it still kept burning, I was like, okay, like I need to really take a look at this brand. So I went on Amazon and I started scrolling, and I purchased different candles. So like I said, I'm a candle fanatic, and something that my mom taught me growing up, and I don't know if anybody's ever done this, but if I have a cool candle jar, which is like this one, and Bloom and Prosper, guys, if you guys go check out their stuff, they have a lot of cool candle jars, and like I said, they're inexpensive for the product and the quality of the candles, but they have similar ones like this. They have just very cool ones, and I ended up purchasing a couple off of Amazon, and the ones that I got actually had like a glass base on it, and so I get scared when using like glass vases when I'm lighting my candles, because I always have this theory that it's gonna like break or something and glass is gonna explode. I don't know, that's my scary like thoughts. But I ended up taking the candles, and I actually ended up scraping the candle out of there. So the candle that I actually got to replace it, which was like the Vanilla Bean, like I said before, it actually was a little bit wider than this. So what I had to do is I had to shave it around to fit down in there. And then the candle that I had before in there, I just like scraped the wick out and everything, and I placed that one in there. And then the extras that I had, I would, like, when the candle was melting and it was kind of like the hot wax, I would just drop the extras of the hot wax of the candle that I had in there into the hot wax. So if any of you guys are interested in like switching candles and bases and stuff, that's just one way that I do it, but I'm sure there's plenty of other ways if you guys go Google it, but though that's just one of my ways. But yeah, getting started on the scent. Smells so good, guys. I'm typically opposed to like vanilla-y smells just because they kind of have such a generic smell to them, but this one has such a genuine and articulate smell. I love using this candle when I'm taking baths. It just honestly like fills up your bathroom with such like a sweet and like savory smell, and I kind of explained that like it was food, but guys, it honestly does smell so good. I love having my room smell like it. It's just one of those candles where it's like when I smell it, I just kind of feel relaxed. The brand is also really good too. It lasts long. Like I said, I still have a little bit of the candle left in here, and I don't know if you guys can see that, but I still have a little bit of the candle left in there, and I've had the candle, like this vanilla bean candle, for about 4 months, I want to say, and it's lasted me so long. So yeah, this is, like I said before, the vanilla bean candle, and I just want to show you guys the bottom again. And this is just the Bloom and Prosper Candles brand. Go look them up, they're really good.